the next time, just go in with a little bit of the black got to be and secure those sides and go with the thin layer around here.
Wow, 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 whoa, oh.
Welcome back to my channel, girl baby. So today I'm going to be attempting to do a wig. You know your girl love her wigs, and I'm just like literally I've been like trying to do this video like 10 times. I just could not bring myself to mess up a wig. Like, it's a good wig, but am I a good hairstylist? No. Am I qualified to install lace fronts? No. Have I ever installed a lace front? No. So okay, stop. I'm literally about to cry because you know, like, I'm a wig person. Like, just the thought of messing up a perfectly blonde 24-inch wig, it just doesn't sit right with me. But I'm gonna show y'all what I got here. Your girl, okay, I watched like 10 million YouTube videos about how to. Do y'all ever just watch people install their wigs just because it's like kind of therapeutic? Yeah, me too, girl. Like, I know, like, for real. But look, the girl got her. I keep coming back, but I always use glueless wigs. Like, all my wigs that you see me wear, my videos are no glue, but I don't know how to do that. So, girl, I got my got to be blasting freeze spray. I got my styling spiking glue. Okay. I have a drop of mousse left, but I gotta kind of like lean it towards the straw part so it come out. You know how like you gotta drop it, but you gotta lean it so the straw hit the mousse. Cause like if you go this way, then it won't come out. But if you lean it this way, it's gonna hit the mousse. You know what I mean? I got my cap. I'm not playing with you. I got my. I don't know why I got this, girl. It's for something. I know I was thinking about. I got my toothbrush. I don't know if I'm doing edges today, because no edges on a wig looks really good in my opinion. I got my scissors to cut. You know how it go. My rat tail comb or rat tooth. Do you got rat tail or rat tooth? I always thought it was rat tooth, but apparently it's rat tail, so I don't know, whatever. My foundation, a blow dryer, can y'all see? And a hot comb, and this brush, and a clip. Ooh, child, that's a lot of stuff, okay? So, and then I got my little mirror here. Like, if you see me looking like this, it's because I'm looking at a mirror. I'm not just looking to look. It's a mirror, y'all. Don't act slow. You know how it go. So, first, okay, how it go? Okay, first, baby, I had these plaits in, no, these cornrows in for about 2 months almost. I don't barely got no dandruff in here. Like, I don't know how, but it's you know, y'all don't see me in this state usually, but and my hair growing. Look, I don't know, I feel like my hair is growing, like, whatever. So first thing we gonna do, I'm so nervous. This is not funny. Okay, we got our wig cap. Oh, and by the way, this is from Arabella hair. They supplied me with this nice 613 wig. You see it. All the information is down below, you know. So I'm gonna go with my wig cap, and you know how I don't. Okay, let me shut up. I'm gonna just. All right, shut up. I'm so scared. I just don't want to mess this wig up. Like, I love me a blonde wig, and just the thought of it not working, just, it's almost as scary as when you go to McDonald's and you ask for a 10-piece and they give you 9. That's actually a little. That's like honestly like my worst nightmare. Okay. Oh, I forgot a step. Okay, look. So we're gonna take our glue and kind of just like put it on our edges, and you know, like, hold on. That's how I heard how it went, so I'm gonna just do it that way. Alright, so I'm gonna take the glue. Y'all see it's on my finger, but just start kind of pushing the hairs on my edges back. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing. I'm teaching y'all. Y'all probably like, this girl do not know what she's doing, but you know what? It's always gonna be a first time for everything. You know what I mean? Like, we all did something before that we never did. You know what I mean? So don't judge me. Oh, local black child don't know how to apply her wig. Okay, and you didn't know how to wipe your butt when you were little. So now what? you had poopy diapers. So You sat in your poop when you were younger, so don't sit here and talk about some, oh, look at how she's applying her wig. No, because at the end of the day, you used to sit in a poopy diaper. You didn't know how to wipe your butt. Alright, now your girl got her hair all pushed back, so I'm gonna take the blow dryer on my edges, and yeah, y'all know what's up. So, now it's time for me to put on the cap. Alright? Excuse me. Ugh. That's nasty. Oh my god, my eyebrows. Alright, stop. I can't mess up my brows. Like, it took me forever. It's okay, Gabby. It's okay. Just chill out and they'll be okay. Alright, look. So, now. Okay, wait. This is gonna try to go on. It's kind of tight. Oh. Hold on, yo. I got you. Hold on. So I got it on. I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, that's the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead with my blasting freeze spray, and we're gonna just go in. We're just gonna go in, all over my edges. Okay. So let's go. All right. Okay. Y'all see? I'm going. I'm looking in the. Okay. Y'all see it. Once I get to this side, y'all can really see it. Okay. So. Just gonna spray this on my edges or whatever. Oh, it's cold as hell. Alright, y'all. Huh? You got something to say, sweetie? Oh, okay. So we're gonna go in and just dry again. And if my brows are messed up, I'm about to have a fit. I'm about to have a BF, fit. Okay, stop. Let's go.
But the next time, just go in with a little bit of the black Got2b and secure those sides and go with the thin layer around here.
She told me to go in with a powder and put it on the top or something. So hopefully, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna just go in with this powder on the top, y'all, because you can't have a white bald cap underneath your hair. Like, what is that supposed to mean? Like, what is that supposed to mean? So, you know, my skin is brown, so that makes perfect sense, y'all. Like, alright, so hold on, let me watch the rest of this.
So, but if you just lay down that raveling part.
Alright, so now I'm going to just take my scissors and go right up the middle. Oh my god, this is some scary shit. Hold on, y'all. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm shaking in my boots. Oh my god, if my brows get messed up, I'm gonna be so tight. Yep, they got messed up. Oh my god, they really got messed up. This is so ghetto. Never again. Never again. This is why I get my hair done. This is why I don't do my hair. I get it done, honey. This is some ghetto. Alright. Oh, I forgot to cut out the ears. Hold on. Remember, y'all, how the ladies do it with the ears? Yeah, I gotta do that. I forgot. Alright, then I'm gonna do the other one. Oh my god, this is so scary. If this messed up, I'm gonna blame y'all, actually, because it's y'all fault. Y'all watching it. Y'all entertaining it. So, it's really y'all fault if I mess up. You owe me, like, how much? Actually, I didn't pay nothing for this wig, but y'all owe me still, like, for wasting my time. Alright. So, I got them cut out on the sides. And I'm just gonna go. Ow! I got a knot on my head. Like, I don't know if it's not a pimple. It's like a knot. I don't know if I bumped my head or what, but there's a knot. Y'all maybe can see it, but it's right here. Yeah, y'all can see it. It's not a pimple. It's like a knot. Like, it hurts. But alright, so she said just to go straight across like that. I'm nervous. Okay, stop. In the cap, and that joint got all of my lashes. Like, now just dropping my lashes. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. Alright, look. Alright, like, your girl really gotta go on, and that's facts. Like, I would like never thought I would meet this day, or like I never thought this day would come. If that makes sense. Yeah. And like, it's just like, at this point I should just move to Atlanta and start doing hair for a living, because what else is there really to do? Like, your girl is a frontal guru at this point. Like, I literally tried this before and didn't work, but today just something is amazing is happening. Like, something just snapped, and it's just like, wow, like the way that this wig is about to be applied on my forehead, it's just something crazy. It came with edges already, but I don't like edges like that. Like, I personally don't like edges. Like, I don't like edges like that, honestly. So I'm gonna cut this lace in the back, because what is that really for? Like, what is that for? So I'm gonna cut, wait, I'm scared. I'm gonna cut the hair by accident. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace in the back, because like, you got lace in the back for what? I don't know if y'all peep, but my head is like a peanut head. Like, I got a really small peanut head. Like, I don't know if y'all ever seen me in person, but like, my head, it's actually not like weirdly small, but it's just like, it's small. Like, it's smaller than usual. Like, my boyfriend always laughs at me because I got a small head. Like, and I'm like, nah, child, you got a big head. We be going back and forth. Like, I don't know why he be saying that, but it's true. Like, it's true. I got a small head, so I'm putting this wig on. Alright, so how does gonna work? Alright, look, so, oh, it's already looking good, y'all. I'm excited. Hey, how I do this? I don't know what to do next. So we're gonna make this the part. I look like a crackhead. Okay, look, I'm gonna make the part right here. It got flyaways. It's okay. We're good. We're gonna just pluck. Well, I don't know what to do about that, honestly. So we'll figure it out. But I don't know what to do. Like, all right. So we're gonna actually section it into threes, because I seen this girl on YouTube do that before. Like, she sectioned her hair into threes and then broke it up. So I'm gonna break my hair up into threes and just section it that way. Actually, I'm gonna pull it back. Girl, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. All right, shut up. I'll put my hair back with this clip, and we're gonna how did she do? I seen this girl do it. It was really good, y'all. Like, I think I'm gonna just hold on. This crooked. Wait. All right, yeah. So this is stressful, child. Oh, I didn't even put no makeup on this. Alright, I'm gonna put some makeup on this. I think, oh, that's what I was missing. Oh my god. And y'all just sat there and watched me. That's so weird. Like, I thought y'all was ride or dies. Like, you know, little babies in the building. Like, I trusted y'all, but then it's like, can I really though? Like, if I gave y'all $1 million and I was like, I'm broke, would y'all give me any? Like, that's the point I'm at with y'all. Like, I don't even know about y'all no more. And that's sad that I gotta say that, you know what I mean? Like, I really trusted y'all, but not anymore so much, because y'all sat there and watched me about to apply this wig with no brown in there. Child, y'all is fake as heck. Alright, so I put some makeup on the lace. Hopefully that don't look bad. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. Like, hopefully it don't look bad. So I don't know at this point. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Does that look okay? Yeah, it looks fine. I know. Should I do a middle part? I'm gonna do a middle part. That's cute, actually. Let me put this in the middle. I'm gonna put some mousse on the top of this wig, because these flyaways are going crazy. Like, they's really going crazy. Because you don't want no, like, no little wispy. Who want to walk around with some hair sticking up on their forehead? You know what I mean? So I got them Jones down, like, them Jones down or whatever, like, oh, this is so cute. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, because I need my wig to be laid on, hold on all sides. Like, this hot comb heat up in like 5 seconds, y'all. because I got it from Amazon. Hold on, I'm gonna show you what the brand is. 1 second. It is a Andis Amazon comb. This don't heat up in 5 seconds. Like, hold on. I keep going like this to make sure whenever I turn it on, I go like this until it's hot, so I know it's hot. You know what I mean? And I plucked it myself, y'all. So if you're like, oh my god, who plucked it? It's me. So don't get it twisted. It's me. Always been me since day one. Like, all right, let's see. You ever just get your hair done and you be a whole new person? Like, at first you be like, hi, I'm local black child. And then you put the wig on, it's like, hello, I'm local black child. And who are you? Who? Never heard. Wait, you said who? Not in my vocab. You said your name is what? Didn't hear you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't understand what you're saying. So, cut this here. I'm so nervous. And I'm going to cut this right here. So I can do it in 4 sections, okay? Because I feel like if you do it all at once together, something bound to happen. Something finna fall off. Alright. So I'm gonna pull this back. And I'm gonna put some of this. I don't have no whole ghost line. I just have this. So we're gonna go in real quick with just some got to be, what's it called? Spiking glue on my little forehead. Perfect. This is about to be so nice. Like, watch it come out terrible. I'm finna cry. I'm be so mad. Okay, so I tried my best. I'm not even gonna show you the sides. I turned it into a closure wig now. That's not being shown. But now I just have a new, oh, I'm sorry that I didn't show you the whole thing. I kind of forgot I was recording. Then I went to the bathroom and did the rest, and I was like, oh, and I came back and y'all was still here. And I was like, oh my god. But anyway, I have a newfound appreciation for hairstylists. Like, I always appreciated mine, but like, I just never peeped how hard it was. I mean, it's good for my first wig, but I'm never doing this again. Shout out to Arabella hair for this hair, whatever. It's good hair, but I kind of ruined it. So I'm gonna just be wearing it with hats and stuff and like hoods. Like, hold on. Like, I wear it like this and stuff, but like other than that, like, I'm not. Okay, so I'm just so disappointed in myself. Please like and subscribe and comment and do what you gotta do, but like, don't make fun of me. Don't. Oh, look at my. I don't want to hear it. Okay. Like, I know this is a perfectly good wig and I just messed it up. But it's fine. We all have our days. So, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. And bye, y'all. Okay,